steady. Nice and steady. Have a look at this. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round.